Hi everyone. Today I go to make a very simple meal. It's meat cutlets. So it's Russian котлеты. I have ground chicken, ground beef, 1 egg, onion, 1 zucchini. I cut in half. Garlic, if you like. For course, it's pepper and salt. Breadcrumbs, and I use for frying light flavor grapeseed oil. And I have little chopper where I go to put my onion and my zucchini and my egg and my garlic, and I go to chop it. Okay, I have inside of my chopper zucchini, 1 egg, this is piece of onion what I have, and couple garlics. And now we go to cover and start to chop. Okay, I have a salt and pepper already, and I use a little bit breadcrumbs. So just little bit like that. Okay, that's it. We go to mix with a spoon, and after we prepare for fry. So I made котлеты already, cutlets. You can make any form you like, but usually I do like that. It's traditional form in Russia. So when I work with meat, I like to use my gloves. So I take one and I put in a bread crumbs like that, and it's ready to fry. And I go to make with every cutlet same way. Okay, what it looks like when I roll them in a breadcrumbs. Already I have 9 cutlets now, and I go to start my stove, and I go to pour my grapeseed oil on my skillet. I go to fry. You don't believe that it's a very simple meal, and it take probably 30 minutes to make it. So next step, to fry them. I wait when oil enough hot, and I go to fry my cutlets. I think it's ready. Okay, when I put them on a skillet, I little bit smash them, little bit. And now I wait to turn over my cutlets. So after a few minutes, 2-3 minutes, I turn them over. I don't like when it's over fried. And if you like more fried, you can leave longer for maybe 5 minutes, but not for longer than that. So now I have 2 minutes from other side, and I go to cover them to be ready inside. It's very healthy. You cannot believe that you cannot feel, you cannot taste zucchini inside, but it's healthy and it's juicy, it's tender, and it make a taste better. So I go to cover now. Okay, for this cutlet you can have on the side anything, like you like mashed potato or something. I like brown basmati rice. I go to cook and to have on the side of my dish. Okay, I open my cover and I turn one more time them over to make little bit crisp on top. And if you can see here, they like grow because I have an egg and zucchini inside, so they are higher, and under cover they grow. They're very tasty. I leave under cover for probably, I don't know, 5-7 minutes or so, and it's ready to eat. So it take me less than 30 minutes. Very simple, very fast, and very good dinner. I like carrot inside because when I have with my rice, I like some carrot on the rice too. So you can have a carrot or you don't. It's up to you and how you prefer. But when it's under cover, this carrot not too crispy, so it's very good with rice. So my basmati rice is ready, and it's ready to eat. We have lunch, but you can make for dinner or for gas. It's very simple. It took me probably 30 minutes, that's it. So I like on top usually with some herbs. I like dills, I like parsley, but today I did not have fresh, so I have mixed already with organic basil and parsley and dills. So I shake a little bit on top of rice and with my carrot, and I go to show to you what I have inside. It's juicy. Look at that. Very juicy. Look. See, it's juicy. Very good. Very good. And you cannot taste zucchini, believe me. So I would be happy if you like my recipe and you can prepare for yourself. And see you next time. Don't forget subscribe for my channel. I have many recipe, very simple recipe, very fast recipe, and I go to make a more video. Thank you. Bye.